hi to everybody. Put it down.
Here's the boys out doing the yard.
Put it down.
Say hi, Jason.
Hi.
Safety first. Safety first.
Safety first.
You helping Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You sweeping? Oh, careful. While brother's stuck inside the house, licking the door. Hi, Jack. Hi. Say hi.
Dada. Mama.
Yeah, baby.
Take this off.
You want to take it off?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. You guys cleaning it? I love you.
I love you, Mama.
Don't lose this one.
You gotta sweep the sidewalk off.
What is that? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Where are you going? Can you say hi? Me and Jackson has been in our PJs all day because we are sick. Jackson. Say hi. Can you say hello?
See. See.
Who's that? Is that Jackson?
Yeah.
You say Jackson?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say hello? No, don't play with that. Say hello. Are you looking at yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it cool? No, don't play with that. Can you say, I'm handsome? I'm handsome. Yeah. Where are you going? Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? No? No. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.